We are the agents of change. People on the campus must benefit from the change. We got connected with lot of students during our 6 weeks training. So their time on the campus will be enjoyable. Now let's look at the strategic initiatives we will be pursuing to get there.
Technology is being updated every day, but are students being updated at the same pace? No, right? So we plan on introducing tech discussion forums to make that answer a yes. But how do we do it? We create a space where students from various departments can come together to collaborate, research, learn, and apply about latest technology. This also helps students from other departments to learn and explore about the current trends.
Bringing together the right information with the right people will dramatically improve the students' ability to develop. To increase the reach of our campus, we plan to provide a space for students on campus and off campus to clarify their queries regarding academics and as well as campus ecosystem. This way of approach will save the time and also students get connected with the campus. Campus Quora is one-stop destination to clarify all the queries.
Continuing the legacy of previous University Innovation Fellows, we plan on introducing club days for major clubs in VVIT. The main motive of conducting club days is to provide a platform for students to showcase their talent that they have learned during the club hours. Furthermore, we want students to enroll in certification exams offered by premier universities, which help them in setting up their career in that chosen domain. And if everything goes online again, we have a plan of conducting online clubs.
Alumni, the hidden treasure. Alumni plays a major role in networking. So we are looking forward to keep the alumni bond strong and connected. For that, we intend to create a website named VVIT Alumni Connect for everyone to come together, which might help the students in career guidance, internships, and placements.
All the strategic priorities were chosen in such a way that they will improve I&D culture on campus. We hope to bring forth active participation among the students and assist them in their future and reverse through the strategic priorities mentioned above.